Hey, I'm Julie, Fei-Fan Balzer, and I'm here with another Art Basics video. So today I want to show you how to revive your markers that just, well, they're all dried out. So I'm going to be showing you the technique that I use for permanent markers, and then at the end of the video, I'll talk you through how I work with water-based or dye-based markers to revive those ones too. So you can see my marker is not drying well. So I'm going to pull out the nib using a pair of pliers, put that aside. And then I'm going to take some alcohol and I'm going to take a pipette. And I'm simply going to place some alcohol into the barrel of the pen. You don't need a ton, just a couple drops. And then I'm putting the nib back in, putting the cap on, and I'm going to let it sit for like 2 minutes. So it's better, but not totally back. So I'm going to add a little bit more alcohol and wait a little bit longer. Let's try it again. Oh, much better. So as you can see, sometimes it just takes more than one try and maybe waiting a little bit longer, but you can revive your marker. I want to remind you that when you're working with alcohol, you want to make sure to be in a well-ventilated area and be careful. Do test things out with your markers. Certain markers like Copic markers have their own re-inker, so you probably want to use that instead of actually using the rubbing alcohol. But this is a great way to save a marker that you would otherwise throw away. So as I promised you, what about those water-based markers like your Crayola markers and that kind of stuff? Well, those ones are even easier. You don't even have to pull the nib out. You just place them into a glass of water for, again, like 10, 20 seconds, something like that. It's not a science, it's more of an art. And then you take them out, put the cap on, let them sit, wait a few minutes, check it out. And you may need to do it a couple times depending on how dried out it is, but it really is that easy to bring your markers back to life. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I hope that you will subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope you'll check out the monthly art membership I offer over at balzerdesigns.com. It's filled with tips, tricks, art tutorials, and all sorts of fun. Thanks so much.